Alright guys, so today we're changing the cargo light in our 2016 Prius over to LED. So you just want to pry it out and then of course get the wire disconnected so you can move it. There I'm pointing to a spot I'll show you later, but you got to get these clips out. They're a little tricky. You basically just got to unclip them with a little screwdriver and then pull the cover up while you're doing that. Then stick the screwdriver in and that releases another tab, so then that whole back cover will come off. Then all you gotta do is just simply pull the bulb out and then stick your new bulb in, 194 LED, and then snap the cover right back on, and you just gotta plug her in and you're basically all done. Just slide her in, and of course make sure you have the connector going the right way, but just slide her in, clip her in, and bam, your LED lights are done in the cargo area. So I hope that helped. See you on the next video, guys. Take it easy.